Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak Minded. Today is day 2 and I went in town today and essentially I bought up a new sign, and this is something to do with why I'm filming now. Now this cloud, misty red stuff is coming from an industrial laundry. Now we've seen many times that laundries are used for cover-ups, and this stuff, if you research into the properties of nano smart dust, you will see that it has the same properties. It has intelligence to it. Now the things in which I'm trying to say to people over 6 months ago, to do with my face life theory and to do with this, is that I can see demon alien beings, faces coming from it, and I've captured that. Whether that's through film or by other means. It's not just this mist that you can see it's in the sky itself. The problem is, to explain this phenomenon, you have to understand reality. You must understand your own existence and the knowledge that is associated with the rainbow. You must know about a great deal of knowledge to do with the unseen of this world and how that relates to the ancient past and these souls. And so you can see this is just not normal. It's been going on for like 10 months easy, and it's just more of the same. Pumping up this orange, misty stuff that we're all breathing in. Now you think this is just one, but it ain't. There's another one probably about 20 miles away on the horizon, and I can see that from my route. I can't see the faces in it, but I can see that the horizon is orange. It's not, what it should be. If you look elsewhere, you see it's not orange. And so I've got other images as well that literally I walk past this place every day, and you would notice if there was a hovering orange cloud every day above that place, and there wasn't. And so I took a picture, and there's more pictures I could show you that is evidence that there is intelligent technologies being dumped into the air through any means necessary, which is this laundry plant in Reading called Atherwen Laundry, and as well as spreading it through geoengineering, which most people do not acknowledge as, chemtrails and water vapor. Now please bear this in mind, that water vapor, the increase in water vapor is a major contributor towards climate change. They have been spreading chemicals, which is why you're infected with barium and aluminum. We've all been breathing this in, as well as nanosmart dust, and they've been spreading water vapor. Now if you look on the pie chart for climate change and global warming statistics, you'll see that it is not on it. Water vapor is not on it, because this climate change is a fabrication created through weather modification. Yes, the planet is the planet. Say I've gone it again. The Earth, the created Earth, is a bit haywire. It's because of them. They are manipulating frequencies, the jet streams, using HAARP, and essentially creating hurricanes. They can, and this knowledge, if you look carefully, it goes back to at least the 60s when they flooded the Ho Chi Minh Trail, or even further back if you look into the stories of a guy called the Rain Man, whose job was to make it rain. He made it rain so well, in fact, that he flooded a town and went to jail for it, for killing 7 people. Real story, using chemicals. Chemicals can bring water in to certain areas, so they can make it rain through multiple methods. The stuff I talk about is out there to see. You just got to go and look for it yourself. instead of just going, nah, it's all nonsense, it's all bullshit, because the sign in which I've made today is truth. Every single person that walked past me that didn't really comprehend it is unconscious of what I'm trying to say to them. That unfortunately, wickedness in high places has deceived your subconscious mind about reality itself, and that the earth does not spin, it is stationary, and that they have used the perfect circle to map the earth, and through doing so have now got artificial intelligent programs running above the commercial planes, which are flying much lower today. And yet, you know, in Reading at least, you can ask locals that have lived there their whole entire lives, and they will agree. You'll ask garden people, older ladies that have done the gardening their whole entire lives, and they'll go, when I was growing up, the seasons, they were perfect, they were immaculate, they were on time, season after season after season after season. And then you go, whoa, wow, what's really going on in the earth? It's because it's created, and it relates to frequencies. Everything relates to frequencies. Your soul, your essence, your body, life, space. So, this plant across the road is still spewing it out. You can still see the demon's faces in it right now, like that one. Clear as day. Till next time.